In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide tabs in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to bring hidden sheets back into view without any guesswork. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so your files are available. In the top right corner, look for the small grid of dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google services. From there, select Google Sheets. If you don't see it right away, scroll the panel or expand it. Sometimes it's tucked a bit lower in the list. Once Google Sheets opens, you'll land on a page with templates and a list of your recent spreadsheets. Click to open the document where a tab is hidden. If you have a lot of files, the search bar at the top can help you find it quickly by name. Inside your spreadsheet, look to the bottom of the window where the sheet tabs normally appear. If a tab has been hidden, it simply won't show in this row of tabs. To see every sheet in the file, including the hidden ones, go to the lower left corner and click the button with 3 horizontal lines. This button opens the All Sheets panel, which is the master list of every tab in the document. In the All Sheets panel, you'll see all sheet names, whether visible or hidden. Just click the name of the sheet you want to unhide. The moment you select it, Google Sheets jumps straight to that tab and makes it visible again on the bottom tab bar. If you have multiple hidden tabs, repeat the same action for each one you want to bring back. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't immediately see the 3-line All Sheets button, try widening your browser window or zooming out slightly. On smaller screens, the tab bar can push that button off to the side. Also, if you can open the spreadsheet but don't have permission to edit, you may not be able to unhide tabs. In that case, you'll need edit access from the file's owner. Finally, once your tab is visible again, you can drag it along the bottom to reorder it so it's easier to find next time. That's it. Open Google, launch Google Sheets, open your file, click the 3 horizontal lines at the bottom left, and choose the tab you want to unhide. Simple, quick, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.